students, we will discuss today walk, path and circuit. What is walk? Walk in the graph G is finite sequence. It is denoted by W, so that V0, E1, V1, E2 up to so on Vk-1, Ek-1 and Vk4, whose terms are alternatively vertices and edges such that 1 is less than I is less than k-1 and the edges A1 has and vertices Vi1 minus Vi. The vertex V0 is called the initial and vertex Vk is called the terminal of the walk W. So vertices V1, V2, Vk-1 are called internal vertices, also referred to as an edge train or chain. And remarks, each edge can appear only once in a walk. However, vertices may appear more than once. तो open walk क्या है? If a walk begins and ends with the different vertices is called open walk. And closed walk, if the initial and terminal vertices of a walk are same, it is called closed walk. And remainder, a walk containing no edge and has length 0 is called trivial walk. And what is path? An open walk in which no vertex appears more than once is called a path or a simple path. A path do not intersect itself. And simple path and trail. Simple path is a simple if all vertices are distinct, and path is a trail if all the edges are distinct. Okay. So, for example, let's see with a graph determine whether each of the following sequence of edges form a path. So, first is the AX, XB, CY, YX. So, solution is no, the edge XB is not followed by the edge CY. Okay. XB is not followed by the CY. AX, XY, YZ, ZA. No, graph has not an edge YZ has no edge. Then XB, BY, YC. Yes, this is X to B, B to Y, Y to C. All have edges A to X to B, B to Y, Y to C. All have edges. Then BY, XY, AX, BY. This is BY. This is YX. Then AX. All has the edges. They are in the sequence. So this has a path. So I hope you understand the concept. Thank you.